In this video, I am going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Epson WorkForce 2960 all-in-one printer. First step is to switch on the printer and go to the control panel. Scroll ahead, select maintenance, scroll down, ink cartridge replacement. Replace the ink cartridges, click next and then click on the start button. Open the ink chamber, so lift it from this side. You have to take the ink cartridges out, so press the lock button and lift the ink cartridge. Repeat the process for all 4 ink cartridges. Take your new ink cartridge, remove its seal from this side and then match the color and alphabets. Simply place it here and press it down. It will lock itself. So just follow this procedure for all 4 ink cartridges. You hear a little lock sound when you install it. Press it down and let it go itself. Press OK to proceed. It will take around 4 to 6 minutes for the ink system to start. Just wait for that and then we are ready to use this printer. Thanks for watching.